So if you want to fix your ASUS TUF Gaming F15 if it's not turning on, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So first things first is you want to check if the laptop is getting power at all. So plug in the charger and look closely for charging or power indicator lights. Now if there's no lights, the issue may be the charger, outlet, or the charging port, not the laptop itself. And also, you may want to do a full power drain reset here. So unplug the charger, then press and hold the power button for about like 30 seconds. This clears static power and fixes cases where the internal controller is stuck. After that, plug the charger back in and try turning it on again. Now, also try a different wall outlet and, if possible, a different compatible ASUS charger. Now, a faulty charger can light up briefly but still fail to deliver enough power to start the laptop. Now, also plug in the charger and see if the laptop powers on by itself, flashes the keyboard, or spins the fans for a second. Now, if it does, that often points to a power button or internal ribbon cable issue, not a dead motherboard. Now, also try starting with the screen close. So, close the lid fully, press the power button once, then wait a few seconds and open it. On some TUF F15 units, this triggers power on when the button circuit is inconsistent. So yeah, if it still won't turn on though, the issue is likely hardware. So if there's no light, no fan spin, no responses at all, the most common causes are failed power button board, loose internal power cable, or a bad DC jack or motherboard power circuit. Now at this point, professional inspection is needed to avoid causing more damage. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.